Hello guys, a few days ago I bought this ASIC repair tester on eBay and just for $400. But this device needed a license from the manufacturers, and it will be not work without this license. I'll show you photo. Here is some screen and I got the message that is this device do not have license. Okay, I tried to reach to the seller, but seller stopped responding me, and here is response from the manufacturers. Manufacturers is Russian company, and here is serial numbers without license. You have to check device number before you want to buy this device on eBay or in something different places, because this device will be not work without this license. License cost about $1,000. So together it will be cost about, it depends how much you pay for this device, but usually it will be cost about $1,500. So here is 15 devices. One of them is mine. Here is number 2039. 2039. Second number is mine. So beware. Also, if you got same device from maybe this seller or different seller, you can reach me and maybe we can do something together. Have a good day.